Welcome to Time Travel Trading Academy. Over the next few parts, you'll be joining Zane as he embarks on an incredible journey through time to uncover lessons from financial history. Lessons that will help him and you make smarter decisions about money. This week, we're starting with the basics of managing money. Skills that will help you in this course and in real life. Have you ever wondered how to make a budget that actually works? Or how to save money and handle surprise expenses? Zane is traveling to the 1970s to learn about budgeting during tough times, and you'll learn right along with him. Together, we'll cover the key steps to managing money wisely so you can make smart financial choices now and in the future. To help you explore this, you'll be watching a set of videos using Edpuzzle. Here's how it works. As you watch, questions will pop up on your screen. These questions are important. They count toward your weekly assignment, and the grades you earn here will add up to form part of your final grade for the program. So, make sure to answer thoughtfully. If you get stuck, you can always rewind and watch again. Alright, let's get started. We will hop over to the next video, pay close attention, and answer the questions as they come up. When you're done, I'll be back to tell you what's next.